Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today I welcome you all in this guide. So in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to find a working SNI server name indication. It will help you when you are setting up VPN apps, and this SNI will help to enhance the connection to make the connection secure when you are setting up your different VPN apps that require a server name indication. So without wasting time, let's dive deep into the tutorial. So I welcome you all on this channel. On this channel we share ideas, ways on how you can secure your connection and extra way of security when you are online. And in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to find a server name indication. This action will help you when you are using or you are setting up VPN apps that require the SNI in order to achieve a super stable connection and a fast connection, extra layer of security when you are online. So when you reach on Google Play Store, head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So you search for this app, CoffNet. This app is already there on the App Store. So you install this app on your device, and after installing it, you open it. This app will help us to find and get a working SNI for different countries. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers, and you haven't yet subscribed on this channel, you are missing a lot. Before we dive deep into the tutorial, please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. So when you reach in the app interface, you tap on this option which says SNI generator, and when you reach here on this page, you will be required to generate your working SNI or your working SNI for your country. So you tap where you see select country. Please take note that SNI from a different country will not work in your country. So make sure when you reach here, you pick a country where you are from. Remember, this SNI will help you to set up a VPN app which requires the SNI. For example, HTTP custom, HTTP Injector, this and more. So the SNI will help the connection to be enhanced, and the SNI will help to secure the connection. So when you reach here, after you selecting this option which says select country, you pick this option. Then after you pick your country among the presented, so you browse along until you find your country name. So you can come here and then you slowly pick for your country. For example, let me pick Uganda. And when you pick your country, please make sure that if you are not from this particular country, you can pick your country. This video is just for educational purposes. So you click on generate. So you click on generate, and when you click on generate, the app will load the available SNIs for your desired country. And this action is done on each and every country. You can go and pick another country where you are from or where you need to find the SNI. Click generate. When you click generate, it will generate the available SNI for the chosen country. And after that, the other thing which you will do is, you can see right here, you can see that this is 1 out of 10. So to go to the other 9 left SNIs, you must tap on this next button. And when you tap on the next button, the website will generate a fresh new SNI for the particular country. So you trace this option which is the next button and browse along the pages, and also you'll see when you click on next, the app will generate new SNI whenever you click on next. So when you land on the SNI you need, when you reach on the SNI you need, or you click on copy, and when you click on copy, it will say that copy to clipboard. So that's how we find the working SNI. And after getting the SNI, you are required to check whether it is working or it isn't working. So you can comment in the comment section where you didn't understand. So let me show you on how to check if this SNI is working or it is not working. So you open Chrome, and when you reach on Chrome, you search for this website. The website will help you to verify whether the SNI is online or it is offline. So you visit the website called Host Checker, and among the presented, you pick this one. So in case you are new in the channel and you are still watching up to this minute and you haven't yet subscribed, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you reach here, paste here the SNI you have just got. So you paste it right here, you click on the paste button, and then you click on SSL shake, and the website will shake for you whether the SNI is valid or it is not. As you can see, this SNI is still valid and it has some days left to expire. So in case you get a different result, so for example, let's input another SNI. So let's put this one, and then we run the SSL shake. And as you can see, if the SNI is valid, it will say that SSL certificate is valid. And in case you get a different result from this, for example, when the website displays that SSL certificate, it is down. So let me show you in case your SNI is not valid. So sometimes it will say invalid parameters, or it will say that it could not retrieve the SNI. So make sure to read the results which are given on the website so that you can make sure that the SNI is valid. So that's how we said we will find a working SNI in different countries, and that's how we check if the SNI is valid. And in case you get a different result from this one, which says SSL certificate is valid, and you get something like do not retrieve the SNI or the SNI is down, it will mean that the SNI is not working. And that's how we set up, that's how we find and verify a working SNI for different countries. And you can use this SNI in your VPN application or whatever you want to use this SNI. And please use this SNI to secure connection when you are setting up these different VPN apps. And this SNI will help you to enhance the connection, add the extra layer of security in your particular VPN app when you are setting up a connection when you are browsing online. So that's how we find and verify SNI. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe on the channel for more useful content.